welcome back to Infinite Quiz.
Meet our hero, Time-Trotter the Donkey. He's on a mission to carry his friend, the old man, to the other side. But here's the catch. You need to answer the question before Time-Trotter reaches the other side. Are you ready for the challenge? That's right, it's Bounty. Let's see how well you know your candies. You nailed it, it's Jelly Belly. Let's see how well you know your candies. Guess it! Yes, it's Lemonhead. Don't forget to comment your score at the end. And subscribe to get more of these brain teasers. You got it, it's Atomic Fireball. Great job, it's Mentos. Are you ready for the next question? You nailed it, the answer is Peppermint Bark. You're absolutely right, it's Rock Candy. Congratulations, you've made it to the bonus round. It's about finding the ODD1 out. Are you ready to take on the challenge? So let's get started. Good job! Are you ready for the next question? You nailed it. The answer is Dove Bar. It's Butterfinger. Great job. It's Sun Chips. Let's see how well you know your candies. Guess it! You got it, it's Gummy Bears. You nailed it, it's Nerds. Don't forget to comment your score at the end. And subscribe to get more of these brain teasers. Great job, it's Mango Bite. Congratulations, you've made it to the bonus round. It's about finding the ODD1 out. Good job! Are you ready for the next question? That's right, it's Milky Way. You nailed it. The answer is Doritos. You're absolutely right, it's candy corn. Are you ready for the next question? The answer is red vines. That's right, it's Nestle Aero. You got it, it's Turtle's Candy. Congratulations, you've made it to the bonus round. So let's get started. Good job! Don't forget to comment your score at the end. Great job, it's Snickers. You nailed it, the answer is Kit Kat. And subscribe to get more of these brain teasers. It's Sour Patch Kids. Are you ready for the next question? The answer is Swedish fish. Good job! That's right, it's Galaxy. You got it, it's Skittles. Great job, it's Ribbon Candy. Are you ready for the next question? You nailed it, the answer is Peach Ring. Congratulations, you've made it to the bonus round. So let's get started. Good job! Let's see how well you know your candies. Guess it! You're absolutely right, it's M&M! It's Nestle Sundae. Don't forget to comment your score at the end. Good job! You got it, it's Toblerone. It's Juji Fruits. Subscribe to get more of these brain teasers. It's Peanut Butter Cups. Are you ready for the next question? You're absolutely right, it's 5-star. It's Rolo Chocolate. Good job. That's right, it's Runts. You got it, it's Tootsie Roll. All right, here's your next one. That was easy. It's tic-tac. It's Baby Ruth. Don't forget to comment your score at the end. It's Willy Wonka Bar. It's Pringles. I know you wouldn't get it as it's not a candy. It's Goldenberg's Peanut Juice. Subscribe to get more of these brain teasers. It's Magnum Double Chocolate Ice Cream. Great job, it's Nestle Drumstick. You nailed it, the answer is Carambar. Are you ready for the ultimate challenge? This one is not for the faint of heart. In fact, it might just be the hardest find the odd one out question you've ever encountered. Just kidding! We wouldn't do that to you. But we did want to test your focus and see if you were paying attention. Now, let's get back to the real challenge. Good luck! Awesome! And subscribe to get more of these brain teasers. Thank you for watching.